Hey everyone, Colton here with Karl Auto Group, and today we're going to be taking a deeper dive into the advanced trailering system and some of the other trailering tech that we offer you on our GM vehicles. We're going to talk some about trailer profiles, cameras, and some of the available features that we offer you on your GM trucks. For our GM trucks, we've got up to 14 different camera angles. 6 of those are going to be located on the vehicle, everything from the camera located on the front grille, underneath the 2 side mirrors, off the back end with our backup camera, as well as a bed view camera that helps you view into the bed of the pickup truck. We also offer 2 accessory camera options for the interior of your trailer, as well as off the exterior to utilize for our invisible trailer feature. So once you have your trailer connected to your vehicle, it's going to automatically pop up with our trailering system. Instead, you'll have a couple different options to either select on a trailer that's already been inputted into the vehicle, or in this case, we're going to go ahead and create a trailer profile. So let's say we're going to create a trailer for our boat. We'll press on next. It's then going to be asking you how the trailer is going to be towed. We're just going to be conventionally towing this. It'll also then ask what type of trailer you're going to be utilizing. We then have the option to go into some additional feature setup. So for our towing assistance, we can go in and enter dimensions for how long the trailer is, how wide it is, and that's going to help with our trailer side blind zone alert. So not only is it monitoring the blind zone of the truck, it's also going to be monitoring for the trailer as well. We do offer a tire pressure monitoring system on our vehicles, and what that is if you come in and you have us install TPMS sensors into your trailer tires, it not only will track the exact PSI, but also the tire temperature. We do also have maintenance reminders that you can set up on your trailer. So with this, if I want to check things such as my brakes, tire conditions, wheel bearings, I can go in here and I can select on these, so enter in custom intervals as well. The last thing that we have in here is we have our tow haul reminder, which is going to remind us when that trailer is hooked up that we need to be in tow haul mode, which will change some of our transmission shift points on the vehicle. Once we get underneath of our profile, we can have 7 different trailer profiles here for you, but underneath the status, there's a few different features that we can utilize, starting with the trailer light test. This runs you through your brake lights, your turn signals, your reverse lights, all while you're sitting in the cabin of your vehicle. On top of that, then underneath of more, we've got an option underneath of vehicle to track not only our fuel efficiency as well as our transmission temperature. Another advantage to using the trailer profiles, it'll automatically remember the gain that you previously had set for that trailer. So if I'm hooking up to 2 or 3 different trailers a day, I don't have to worry about changing those individual settings. For somebody that might be new to trailering, we do offer a trailer checklist where you can go in here and individually check off items, as well as utilize the pictures that GM has provided for you on how to properly hook up your trailer, just for extra peace of mind. Thanks for taking a deeper dive with us on some of the technology that we offer you on your GM vehicle. If you have any questions about some of the capabilities that your truck or SUV has when it comes to trailering tech, please stop into one of our Karl locations and we'd be happy to assist you.